The internet you use every day? Almost broke! Built on a 10-day hack from 1995 that everyone forgot about. May 1995. Netscape engineer Brendan Eich gets a deadline. 10 days. Build a whole programming language, or the browser ships broken. He calls it Mocha. Then, LiveScript. Then, JavaScript. Pure marketing. Sun was hyping Java, Netscape rode the wave. Before this, the web was dead. Static HTML pages, no clicks, no animations, no anything. Ike made the web move. Today, JavaScript powers 94% of every website. 62% of devs write it. 1.8 million NPM packages. Oh, and one more thing. JavaScript has nothing to do with Java. Want more like this? Promptslove.com. Follow.
The video you just watched is created by Claude. The visuals, the images, the voice, everything is being done by Claude inside Claude Cowork. So you can also copy this skill which I've built to create long form or short form videos and social media content on autopilot. So this is a skill called create video. So you can also use that on Claude as well as Codex. So what's the idea behind it? So first, if you want to grab this skill, you can go head to the promptslove.com, and there we have a Claude skill module, one of the module which we have, and there is video creator. Just click on view and download that from there. So not only that, you will get other perks like 20,000 plus prompts, 83 skills, 200 plus N10 templates, and there's actually much more. Now, coming back to this is how does it work? So first is, let me give you the preview how you can also create that by yourself. So idea behind is, let the Claude know about my design system, the branding, the colors, the fonts, everything. Then reuse that details by creating videos, voiceovers, images as well. The setup will include the topic name, the resolution, timing, everything. Then based on your inputs, Claude will start researching it online and write the script. And then it will generate visuals using JS, mostly coding. So if there is a brandable icons or logos, they can just simply get from the internet, because Claude Cowork has this Chrome integration. Next is, then it will call a fal.ai, which is AI model library. So it has every gen AI models there. Then it will call there for two things. First is the voice. And for the voice, I use Gemini Flash TTS, the 3.1, and it's incredible and so powerful, and it adds emotions. It's way better than the ElevenLabs for me. And then if it required image to be included in your video, then it will call GPT Image 2, which is the latest model. And after it collect everything, then it will start creating the frames and merge that video, audio and images using Mux, and then it will present you the final video in MP4 format. And then it will ask for the review. If you don't like it, just tell it what it to include or exclude, then it will redo that again. Now coming forward to the next is how you can install it. So if you're using Codex, just drag and drop that zip file to the conversation, just type install this skill, and after it install this clicks, do tell it a bit about your branding and tell it to update that skill. For example, if you have a blog URL and if you have a branding details, for example colors, be it fonts, your tone, your writing tone, everything should be included in that skill. So update that skill. Then you can simply call that with the video, and it will ask you the set of questions in the Codex. Then after you apply that, it will present you that specific video. And the same thing you can do with the Claude. Upload that zip file, tell it to install the skill, then tell it a bit about your brand, update this particular skill accordingly. Then it will create a .env file. Okay, so let me show you. So it will create a .env file which includes your fal.ai's API key. So how to get that? If you go to the fal.ai dashboard, go to the API keys, and there you can create and copy your API key. So this is a pay-as-you-go platform, no subscription. So you pay for what you use. So you can start with the $2, $5, $10. Then it will start creating all the assets for you. Now coming forward to the questions of how much credits it will use. So to be honest, it depends on your plan. So to create a video on Codex, it's a $20 plan. I was on a 81% of 5-hour usage, and I left with 60% of full final after creating a full final video. And now coming forward to the Claude.ai. So I use Opus 4.7. I was on 10%, and then it increased by 31%. So it's around 21% there. So this is how credits work. And let me tell you, I am on a max plan, a $100 plan, not on the pro plan. So if you are on a pro plan on Claude.md, say goodbye to this video because you are not going to create anything. So now coming forward to the output of the video. So here is the Codex video that I've created.
JavaScript was born because web pages were dead. In 1995, clicking a page meant waiting for the server. Netscape wanted the browser to feel alive. Brendan Eich got the assignment: make scripting for web authors, not just C++ engineers. The first prototype was called Mocha. Then LiveScript reached Netscape Navigator 2.0 beta in September 1995. So why JavaScript? Marketing. Java was exploding, and Netscape plus Sun announced JavaScript in December 1995. The job was simple: validate forms, react to clicks, change the page, and glue HTML to the browser without a full reload. Then came the browser wars. Microsoft shipped JScript. To stop the web splitting apart, Netscape submitted the language to ECMA. By June 1997, ECMAScript became the standard. JavaScript is the name people say, ECMAScript is the spec engines follow. So JavaScript arrived when the web needed interaction fast. And it stayed because browsers agreed. Don't break the web. Visit promptslove.com.
What type of videos you can create? You can create a video from the URL, topic, YouTube, PDF. Just type like here, create videos, and tell it about what you want to create. Then it will start asking you set of questions. Topic, then the format and aspect ratio. Short form, long form, yes, it can create 3 to 10 minutes. But for that, you need crazy amount of credits, okay? So just play around with however you want. So the target duration, so I just keep it between 30 to 60 seconds. Up to 60 seconds is great. And tone, call to action in the end, it depends on your branding. TTS, go ahead to this URL and check out the voices and test which works for you, and then select that. Otherwise, mention that particular voice here. And then generate hero images with GPT Image 2. So the idea behind is I don't want to include the slides or carousels that you usually see on the automated videos on the YouTube, and those are the AI slops. So here I just want to use it very minimal, like wherever required, not on every frame, on every transition. So here I just sparingly use, otherwise use all the code. And the custom instruction, here you can add something like start with negative, engaging hook, subtle emotions. Why I'm saying subtle emotion is because it creates a nuisance of emotions if you don't specify that, because Gemini 3.1 Flash is optimized for the emotions. You can add emotions, and I also updated this skill accordingly. So subtle emotions, not just conversational tone, or you can add something like vocabulary or a mock-up UI, whatever you want to include. Then click on continue. Then it will take some time to create a video for you. So here is the sample video of Claude.
The internet you use every day almost broke. Built on a 10-day hack from 1995 that everyone forgot about. May 1995. Netscape engineer Brendan Eich gets a deadline. 10 days. Build a whole programming language, or the browser ships broken. He calls it Mocha. Then LiveScript. Then JavaScript. Pure marketing. Sun was hyping Java. Netscape rode the wave. Before this, the web was dead. Static HTML pages, no clicks, no animations, no anything. Eich made the web move. Today, JavaScript powers 94% of every website. 62% of devs write it. 1.8 million NPM packages. And one more thing. JavaScript has nothing to do with Java. Want more like this? Promptslove.com. Follow.
And now, if I want to compare with the Codex to the Claude, I personally like Claude because of the simplicity. But if you want rich, intuitive UI with all the transitions, all the animations, then I suggest you to use Claude. So this was the skill that I wanted you to know. So this is just one of the skills that I have created. What's next? I will be using Agent's API such that you can clone your avatar and give it an avatar ID in that API of yours, and then it will start creating that video. You like the idea? And for that video and skill, do subscribe to this channel and let me know what you think about this. Even a bad feedback, I love it. I love to learn from each and every feedback of yours. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.